Hi, my name's Matt. This is Matt Shows All. I'm gonna show you, first off, this is Starfield faceplate. It got it from AliExpress. It was $13, and you have to watch on these because sometimes when you buy them they don't come with the pieces, and then like the rings, and you got to take them off of your old one that you took off. And this Elite Series 2 controller is pretty much almost brand new, and I got this for $50 off of this place called Mercari. I don't know if you've heard of them, but I buy from them a lot. I always start right here at the trigger and just start prying around. This is easy. You don't have any screws to do or anything. It just comes off. You gotta pry it though. It might feel like it's fixing a break or something. You just gotta start pulling it and work around. I always start at one of the triggers. You have to pry it pretty hard, and then you'll feel like it be tight inside, and that's that tape that they have stuck down. You can probably hear that popping. And now all you have to do, take your faceplate, center it on, just pop it on, and it's done. So bought that for $50 and that for $13, and I'll sell it for probably $125. But thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.